Oh, no, 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 no. Please, no.
Anna picks up her phone. The screen is black with many cracks.
Great. Just great. It's dead. My whole life is on this phone. My photos, my messages, everything. I need a new one. Today.
Anna walks into the big electronics store. There are many phones on the tables. David, the shop assistant, comes to help her.
Good morning. Welcome to Tech World. Can I help you with anything?
Oh, hi. Yes, please. I need a new phone. My old one just died.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What happened?
I dropped it again. I'm very clumsy.
Don't worry, it happens a lot. So, what are you looking for? Something simple or something with a great camera?
I want a good camera. I take a lot of pictures of my cat and my food.
Okay, let me show you this model. It has a very good camera and the battery lasts all day.
Anna and David look at the phone. Suddenly, an older woman, Mrs. Gable, comes up to them. She looks a bit confused.
Excuse me, young man. I need help. I want to buy a phone for my grandson, but I don't understand this internet thing.
Of course. One moment, please.
David turns to Anna.
Anna, do you mind waiting just a minute? I need to help this lady.
Oh, no problem. I'm in no rush. Actually, I can help her a little. I used to teach my grandmother how to use her tablet.
Really? That's so kind of you, dear.
It's easy. Look, this button is for the camera. This one is for the internet. You just touch the screen.
Like magic. Oh, you are a very nice girl. My grandson will love this.
Thank you, Anna. I have a lot of customers today.
It's okay. I like helping.
Okay, let's talk about the phone for you. This model is a bit expensive, but I think it's perfect for you. The screen doesn't break easily.
Strike strong screen. That's for me. I drop my phone all the time.
Exactly, and the color is nice.
I love it. How much is it?
It's $350, but because you were so patient and helped my customer, I can give you a small discount.
Really? That's amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I take it.
They go to the counter. Anna gets her wallet.
Oh no,
What's wrong?
I forgot my bank card at home. I only have $50 in cash.
That's a problem. You can pay with your phone. Oh wait, your phone is dead.
Yes, that's why I'm here. It's a comedy of errors. I'm so sorry. I will go home and get it and come back.
I can put the phone on hold for you. I'll keep it behind the counter for you until the end of the day.
You are a lifesaver. Really, I'll be back in an hour, I promise.
I'll be here. Good luck.
Thanks. See you soon.
Anna quickly walks out of the store. She feels a little silly, but very happy.